Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the Flight 1 MillivoltOSD flight controller. Let's take a look inside. So we get wire harnesses, rubber opens, and the flight controller itself. So it's slightly bigger than the normal 20 by 20 millimeter size, because it's rocking an OSD and an M4 chip, so it's like taking up a lot of space, I guess. And the connectors make it super easy, and I intend to run Flight 1 on it, or better say, right now the cool stuff is FalcoX, and this is my big deal from Brian, and love this frame, love the setup. It's actually the spec one they used to sell it as a kit, I think. And I have the millivolt on here, and I will replace it with the MillivoltOSD, and the Unify will go, and the Spectrum receiver will go for this stack. It's the Crossfire Unify Pro 32 Mini Micro. And yeah, it comes with the PCB, and then you just solder on the Pro Micro and the Crossfire Mini Micro on top. And I think it's actually written on here. It's Pro Nano. I think, yeah, this is the Nano. Okay, so it says Nano here. So this is obviously the Nano transmitter, video transmitter, and the Nano Crossfire receiver. And this is like a super light setup, so that's why I have this here as well. But let's focus for another second on the flight controller. It's 4.9 grams. And let me grab the calipers. I'm not actually sure they're powered. I was running out of battery, but it will do just fine, because we can read the scale, you know, like normal people. So it's 27, and on the longest width 32. I'm not sure it was in focus, so just put it on again here. And the height, I think it's just with the connectors, just like this. So we're like 9 millimeters. Let's throw this on here as well, just for thrills. 4.1 grams, so just remove the antenna really quick. Yeah, 4 grams, 4.1. So it's pretty cool. Let's put the rubber gummins. What do you call this? There's rubber dampeners on here as well, so that's 0.5 grams. So combination would be 5.3 grams. Okay, so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.